y'all, and welcome to my channel. So this is a few of the ingredients we'll be using today. We have the smoked turkey leg, the chicken breast, the Jiffy Mix cornbread, the gravy. We have some potatoes in a bag, some black eyed peas, some corn on the cob, and some cabbage and some greens. So come on and let's get started. Okay, so right now I have my water on and I'm getting ready to put my greens on. So here I have like the yellow and green bell pepper and some onion in here, and I also have some jalapeno peppers in here. So I'm just gonna put a little of it in the pot right now, because once I add my cabbage to it, I'll add more of this here to it. So I'm gonna add sea salt, complete, onion powder, and that's about it. Oh, I'm gonna add a little vinegar to it, and my collard greens, which is washed from last night and ready to go. I have my black eyed peas going, and I have some ham in there and some vegetables with basil. Okay, so the only thing that I have added in this already in the black eyed peas is the crushed red pepper, some garlic powder, and some complete. And I put just a little in there because I'll season it up once I get my smoked turkey leg in there. So this is all I'm gonna use just for now. And as you see, the smoked turkey legs is cooking. I always keep those green onions and just throw it in there because it just bring out a good taste for the smoked turkey legs. Onto the yam. So we're gonna put some ground cinnamon, some vanilla, some nutmeg, some butter, some brown sugar, and we're going to add some pineapples. The juice first, and a couple of these pineapples. And that's it. And we're going to wrap that up and we're going to put that in the oven. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and make the cornbread. The only thing that's in here is the butter and the eggs. But I'll be having to take that little white thing right there. That little white thing. I'd take that out. That's gross to me. I don't even know what that is. That's just purely gross. Mess around and have a baby by a chicken. So this is the Jiffy Mix cornbread. So I'm using 2. That's why I had the 2 eggs in there and some milk. And a little bit of this sea salt. And I'm gonna get that stirred up. Okay, so this is the consistency that you want with your cornbread. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that in the oven while the pan is warming up. And I have my mashed potatoes on because I'm gonna make some creamy mashed potatoes. But with the greens, I'm adding cabbage to it because that's the way that I like my greens. I like to have cabbage in it. And I already added the smoked turkey leg to the greens already. So I'm just now adding the cabbage to it. And we're gonna let that cook. Okay, so now I'm gonna make the creamy mashed potatoes. So I'm gonna add some sea salt, some garlic powder, some black pepper, a stick of butter, some sour cream, and some milk. Yep, some good old milk. And I'm going to beat this. So y'all hold on. Okay, so now we down to the last part, cooking the chicken and the gravy. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my gravy in this water right here. So those of you that don't know how to make gravy from scratch, I'm gonna show you another way, and people will not know because I get it all the time that I ain't gonna eat no packaged gravy or whatever. I probably made real gravy probably 3 times a year, if that. They've been eating this package and they love it. I mean, absolutely love it. They don't even know it's the package. All you got to do is just season it up. Okay, as you see, that gravy has came to a boil. I'm going to add some black pepper in there. I'm going to add some accent in there. And I'm also going to add my onions and bell peppers to it. And you can add mushroom, whatever you want to, and it'll be fantastic. People won't even know. Okay, here I have my chicken breasts, and I cut them in pieces so no one have to eat a big chicken breast because my family don't like it when it's real big. So I'm use some garlic, salt, some accent, some Cajun seasoning, some paprika, and some Badia Sazon. I think that's how you pronounce that. And some Texas Pete hot sauce. Okay, for the chicken, I'm gonna add this chicken fry. I'm gonna add some flour to it. I'm gonna add the accent to it. And some garlic powder. And that's all I'm gonna add in my bag. And just give that a good old shake and put the chicken in. So now I'm on to the Jello chocolate pie. So this is what we use. We use the chocolate one and the graham cracker crust. And I already don't poured my milk in here, so now I just got to beat it and then put it in the freezer and let it freeze. Okay, so we have the chocolate pie on the graham cracker crust. And then we have this feast of food. Let's start in the back with the fried chicken, cornbread, creamy mashed potatoes, sweet potatoes, corn on the cob. We got greens and cabbage with smoked turkey leg. We got black eyed peas with ham and smoked turkey leg also. And we got that gravy with them peppers in it. So this is Sunday dinner right here on a Wednesday, y'all. All for my daughter. She's so sweet and she worked so hard. So this is what Mama did for you, sweetie. Hey y'all. Thanks for watching that video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope you come back real soon for the next video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you, and I'll see you soon.